Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back. It has been a while. Nearly 3 months, I think. I'll get into where I've been shortly. But today we have something very special. I mentioned months ago when I first started the channel, give a quick nod, that we were going to be attending the Bolt Riders' second annual ride through the Peak District, and today is the day. We are going to be attending. We are going to see plenty of other bolts, so you guys that are subscribed for the bolt content, be prepared to see the awesomeness that is a group of bolts riding together. The ride itself's in Chesterfield, so I'm in Staffordshire. We've got about an hour's ride to get there. I'm not going to bore you with that. You guys do not want to see that at all. You want to see the bolts. So as soon as we get there, we're going to get some footage. We may be able to speak to some of those lovely bolt riders themselves. I'm interested to meet those guys. On the forums and on the Facebook page itself, Bolt Riders UK, those guys have been absolutely fantastic, and as some of you I know that are subscribers to this channel, so hi in advance guys, I'm really excited to meet you. First of all though, tank is almost empty, so we have got to go and get some fresh dino juice. As Blockhead says, you know, we're getting those dinosaurs in the tank. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you there guys. We might have a little bit of footage of the ride up there. If not, I'll catch you in Chesterfield and let's see those bolts. So here we are YouTube, finally here at the Bolt Riders UK and putting some names to faces. I can't believe the amount of bolts in one area. It's a absolutely fantastic turnout really. This is the second annual one that they've done. And yeah, just look at the amount of bikes that we've got. I mean, this one's absolutely beautiful. I love that air intake. So the plan is we're going to head out about 11 o'clock, heading off around the Peak District, and then we're going to go off into Matlock itself. Going to be using the second rider, so we'll see how that goes as well. Yeah, excited. This is the first stop. Doing Dam Visitor Centre. Seem to have lost a couple of people already. Funnily enough, Paul and Pug, so if you're watching this, where are you?
Well, when we go out of here.
But yeah, lovely little place, so we'll carry on riding on soon. GoPro batteries ran out unfortunately, so I'm not going to get you much footage while we're out there. But yeah, cracking ride so far. And plenty of bikes.
Big traffic lights where the market square is. It's the main one, main traffic light crossroad.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Save the songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Nobody but you.
So that's the ride all done with. I'm really sorry I haven't got much more footage than that. We ended up meeting the rest of the 9 lads that we originally lost. Like I said, Pugs and Paul were in that little group. Really sorry that we missed you guys. You know, I'm hoping that the little bit of a ride that you had in a small group was just as good as the one that I was on. But I'm glad that we got to meet up towards the end. I just want to say a massive thank you to the guys that have organised this. That was literally the best ride I've ever been on. To see that many bolts, considering that's the motorbike that kicked this channel off, you know, you'll know if you've got a bolt. You've got that tiny little brake light at the back, and literally that's all I saw in front of me was a sea of little red dots. It was awe-inspiring. It really, really was. We actually got some really funny looks from people around in the town. And as we drove through Bakewell, I'm really sorry I didn't get this on camera, but you know, the whole public were there taking photos. You know, people were asking us to rev the engines, people horn. You know, it gave me tingles really, and you know, I cannot wait to go on more rides like that. So for those of you that organised that ride, you know, just from me to you, you know, thank you very much. It's obviously been a while since I've been away from the camera. I'll explain a little bit of that in a moment, but I want to get more videos out to you. This is what we're here to do, so hopefully within the next few months we'll start to do that. The reason that I have been away is obviously COVID has made it very difficult. I did say that I was going to do the GSXR build. Unfortunately, trying to get parts has been a little bit hard, especially paint materials, because I want to go to the paint shop and pick those myself. I want to get a paint match, and it's obviously been really difficult. Yes, lockdown has sort of eased now, but the other thing that I've got going on is I'm having a new kitchen. So I will try and get you some pictures, and I'll post that on my Instagram of the state of the garage and the workshop. I literally can just get the GSXR and the Bolt sat in there. The rest of it is kitchen cabinets, appliances, all of that. And to be honest, it should have been done by now, but you know, no fault of the builder at all. You know, we've had COVID and the timescale's been pushed back, so it is what it is. We probably will try and do the GSXR build over the Christmas period. I would have liked to have painted it in a little bit of the warmer weather. Obviously, you know, like I said, painting's a bit of a science experiment anyway. We don't want it too warm, but we'll see what we can do on that. More importantly, I've managed to get my hands on a lathe, so we'll be modding the garage a little bit just to, you know, fit that in there, and then we can have a play around with it as well. Hopefully some custom parts, because one of the other things I've managed to get hold of is a CNC machine, so we'll see if we can do some trick stuff with that. But if you haven't already done so, please do go and give this video a thumbs up if you like this sort of content. And if you want some more Bolt content, definitely hit that like button. And if you are new to the channel, please go and give that subscribe button a bit of a push for me. It really does help the channel out, and it'll probably push me on to get some more videos out, and hopefully I won't leave it as long as I've done before. But for the outro crew, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again soon, guys. Bye.